Your team delivers mission-critical Power BI dashboards to your organization. You ship them to hundreds of stakeholders, but adoption is low, and you have never truly measured how effective those dashboards are. How is your BI audience really using your reports? Where do they click? Which slicers do they use most often? Which data dimensions do they care about as they slice and dice? Which visuals attract the most interaction? How long do they stay on each page? Who are the most engaged users, and who are the least? BI Pixie is the telemetry and intelligence platform for Power BI. It gives you the answers you need to optimize your reports around what matters most: user adoption, engagement, and satisfaction. BI Pixie adds to your Power BI reports tiny invisible elements called Pixies. When someone views a page or clicks a visual, the Pixie captures that interaction. This gives you engagement insights and dashboard auditing capabilities that no other tool can provide. The overview page is the home base of the BI Pixie portal. A self-guided welcome tour explains what BI Pixie does, how it works, and how it deploys. To start tracking the usage and engagement of your Power BI reports, click the Add Pixies button. Connect to Power BI. BI Pixie uses delegated permissions, which means it can only access the workspaces where you already have contributor, member, or admin access. Your data is never imported. Select the workspace that contains the report you want to track.
Pick the report you want to track.
2 delivery methods are available. When you select Download and Publish, BI Pixie gives you a zip of the modified report so you can review and publish it manually. Autosave to Power BI writes the modified report straight back to the workspace. For this walkthrough, use Autosave. Click Save to Power BI. BI Pixie always confirms before modifying your reports. Keeping a backup is recommended. BI Pixie reads the report, adds the invisible pixies, and saves the modified version back to your workspace. Your data is never read, only the structure. Managed Reports is the central hub for every report tracked with Pixies. The View in Power BI link launches the report in a new tab, so you can interact with it the way a normal user would. If you have a bookmark in your report, click it. Switch back to BI Pixie. Click Check for Events to pull the latest events into the event viewer. There it is. A bookmark click captured by BI Pixie. Something Power BI's native usage metrics cannot see. Click Tracking Setup in the left navigation. Select Account Defaults in the configuration scope. Data collection controls what BI Pixie captures from your reports. Data selections record the slicer and visual values your audience picks. Interaction tracking captures every user action. Visual clicks power the heat map. Slicer clicks reveal which filters get used. Bookmark and drill-through navigation get tracked too. Hyperlinks and tooltip views complete the engagement picture. Feedback controls add a rating button to every page of your reports. Switch the icon style from thumbs up and down to smile and frown for a friendlier feel. Surveys embed a survey page into the report. Default questions cover Net Promoter Score, time saved, decision-making, and financial benefit. Each question and answer is editable. Save the settings and check the box to apply them across every workspace and report. Settings alone don't change existing reports. Click Update All Pixies on Managed Reports to push the new tracking into them. Open the report in Power BI again. The feedback control now appears at the top right of each page. To test that the feedback control and the survey were added successfully, click the smile to leave feedback. Open the last page of the report. That's the embedded survey page. Click any answer in one of the questions. Switch back to BI Pixie and click Check for Events. The smile click and the survey answer appear alongside the earlier bookmark, proving the new tracking settings are live. Back on Overview. Click Install in Power BI on the BI Pixie dashboard card. The dashboard imports your usage data automatically. Once the dashboard is installed, you unlock a full library of insights. In the User Adoption page, analyze monthly and daily active users. In the User Attrition page, find how quickly users abandon your dashboards. Analyze user engagement by session duration and the level of interactions. In the heat map, find which visuals get clicked the most. In Data Auditing, analyze the data that is selected the most in visuals and slicers. In User Satisfaction and Survey Results, see how your audience truly feels about your reports and what they value most. In Row-Level Security Auditing, detect what data is leaked due to implementation flaws. In Design Impact, analyze how report complexity, usability, and passivity scores affect adoption and satisfaction. And there are many more insights to discover. That is BI Pixie. See how people actually use your Power BI reports. Thank you for watching this demo. Sign up for free 14-day trial and learn more about BI Pixie at our website.